Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8700. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And an O, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, fourth O. Sorry, first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes will be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. And we have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, there one. Finished. 2 minutes. Wow. Without comparing, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.